As a young professional studying communications and media at university, the importance of internships has always echoed our minds. Students are inundated with so many formal aspects of university and their study, while simultaneously being encouraged to seek additional field experience in the form of internships. The question of how students feel about the value and importance of internships is paramount in understanding the university student experience. The questionnaire that I created was aimed at University of Wollongong students, and it sought to anonymously collect data regarding how individuals in my cohort felt about paid and unpaid internship experiences. The results of the data concluded that all the participants felt differently, some having undergone internships and some not. As a result of the insight garnered from my questionnaire, it is apparent many participants felt positively about the idea of internships, and my sample size could be reflective of the consensus of my cohort. Although students felt positively about internships, a mix of opinions were recorded when they were prompted with questions regarding influences on the decision-making process of undergoing an internship. The questionnaire evidenced that although most students feel as though an internship that relates to their field of work would be valuable, 71.4% feel as though time management and financial issues and factors influence their decision in seeking these opportunities. This was closely followed by 57.1% of students also agreeing that their well-being would hinder their ability to balance an internship among other responsibilities such as work, study, and social life commitments. Several secondary resources, namely a study from the Journal of Clinical Psychology, supported my findings of students' hesitations to participate in internship programs. The study found that stress in varying forms was the dominant response of participants concerning their opinions of internships. As a result of this research, it is clear to me that students seem to like the idea of internships and agree about the positive effects of them, but the process of partaking in one signal fears of work-life balance issues. Open-ended response questions were utilised in the questionnaire, as participants were encouraged to elaborate on a 1 to 5 scale rating of agreement to the statement, "I believe internships are valuable." Responses included, but were not limited to, fears of internships being exploitational, the positive impact of field experiences, skill development, insight into future job prospects, and enhanced employability. The positive responses nod to Cassandra Madigan's work in academic journal Safety Science, where she finds work experience and internships provide students with a vehicle for transferring the advanced knowledge and skills acquired through their academic education into a work setting. Conclusively, such a vast mix of opinions has proved difficult in forming a stance on whether internships for university students are truly valuable and important, but it is clear an issue lies in students wanting to partake in these programs, but work-life balance factors seem to hold them back.